everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make text animation in Figma. Firstly, add a text, then select into the frame. It's called frame selection. Then I should make a component and add a variant. After adding the variant, then select the text properties and drag it up using Shift plus up arrow key like this. Then I'm going to add a prototype this to the variant. Select the while hovering. Animation is Smart Animate. That's it. Then I'm going to add one frame to check these animations. Drag the component while pressing Alt. Before playing this frame, should change the color into red and copy the code and add it to the variant. That's it. And now I'm playing this. The hovering is working good. Then I should duplicate these component again. I am duplicate this component and again. Here I'm going to change the text only. After changing the all text, and I'm going to add one frame. Exactly. And frame, then I'll change the color into black. Then I drag the component into the frame like this. After dragging all the text and select all the component and align the components into the center. Now I'm playing this frame. It's perfectly working. Do you want this type of animation? Please subscribe my channel.